We spend so much of our lives trying to outrun ourselves. We build walls of noise to drown out the silence, and then wonder why we feel so exhausted. Healing rarely happens in a hurry. It doesn't ask you to fix everything at once. Sometimes it just asks you to take a walk. Nature doesn't judge your pace. The trees don't rush to bloom. And the river doesn't apologize for taking a long way around. Out here, you're allowed to simply exist without an audience, without a performance. And then comes the quiet realization of what you're capable of. Self-sufficiency isn't about isolating yourself from the world. It's about learning to trust your own hands again. It's the quiet pride of planting a seed, waiting out the season, and knowing you nourished yourself. It's remembering that you hold the tools to sustain your own life, body, mind, and spirit. So take the walk, step out of the noise and back onto the earth. Because when you learn to walk with nature, you eventually learn how to come home to yourself.